accidents, there we laugh and celebrate. Dirty bad man, one like happy dancer. Road to burn up, but now see me till man. The police a patrol, them a cause be a problem. Market be my job type, doing blue stacks. Have a girl give me slap tap, make she come back. Say she want link it real, then.
Alright guys, so we just freshen up our stuff and we'll go up on the road. We just like do like small stuff. Yeah, I just have one simple black dress. I have no bagger and like us. I gotta take it off because I know it's a simple slippers. And this is like gonna be my road slippers. Like anytime I also go out of the road, I'm gonna just chop on the slippers here and call it a day. But we're just gonna go on the road. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna get for breakfast, but I feel like I'm just starting with a porridge or fruits. And after that, probably KFC. But KFC don't open till like 10:45, 10 o'clock, 10:30-ish, around those times. So we have to wait because it's right now it's currently 8. Oh, it's currently 8:33. Can't really say, but it's 8:33 out here. So you know, we go. Just munch on something and then when KFC open, then we gonna have that. Alright, copyright guys, so later. We hold Jamaica hot. I legit brought my water bottle to make sure I keep hydrated with my yeah, perfect. With my water and ice, okay? Because Jamaica, me I tell you, I know I lead when it comes on to heat. So guys, yes, just letting you know. Yeah, we're outside right now. See what we want today.
You have an aux cord.
Where's the plug for the aux cord?
I'm not here.
Or the charger or something?
Yeah.
This? The car charger?
Yeah.
Alright. Guys, we're so checking. Guys, look at the view. Like, okay, come through, view. Come through, view.
I the what you call it, the Airbnb plug. Okay.
Don't play with it. Don't play with it. I don't even say that. Yeah, guys, so check it. Hello. So guys, we are starting to get fruits. We just need some fruits. I get guinea. Coconut. You have sweet coconut? You want coconut to take?
You want me to take you?
Guys, so you want to take the child? Go on again. Alright.
What's your one?
Eh? Two. 1, 2. Yeah, guys. We're gonna stop on the road. Fruits. so good.
Right up?
Yeah. Some basically. One.
Can you put me in the middle of the frame? You see another box?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Right up the true.
Yeah. Someone need to wash off in a dirty heart. When I bite my pants, I'm just grab your phone. Say, how's your coconut?
Coconut is really good.
So guys, I'm literally I put my jelly now. I did a jelly for me. That's what we're doing. Oh. And I got a small bunch of bananas. I think this is honey banana. I think they call it honey banana. Oh, thank you. And yeah. But I messed that up now. I'm very proud of that. I mean, check you back.
Guys, if you guys remember the old vlogs, you remember my home. So yeah, we have gate, fence, a tree cut down, but y'all know that I can't come to Jamaica without at least saying hi to my grandma. It's a must. So yeah, this sun is hot. Look at this big tree. I'm gonna cut it. So I'm just doing some drop-off stuff with the stuff that I brought from my family and whatever, because when I go back to the girl, I'm not gonna keep going back and forth. So yeah. Well, go on. You're good? Alright.
It's so funny.
Go with the girl. I'm recording. Oh Lord. Guys, damn, it said a little walk.
Oh, I turned the AC off.
Little walk for good. Are they cool in there?
I was freezing in here. I was like freezing. Oh, seriously. Jaja. So tell me, I tell you. God, this can't read.
Me see it.
But did she ask you to?
Yeah. Damn, it said the road bad.
Guys, this is what we have to do. Welcome to country. Oh, God.
What's your clothes?
Oh, yeah. Well, I think. Yeah. Lord mercy. Guys, we said Jamaica have a special heat. Like, it's like, look here. Like, even me here, it's a sweat like under me here. Like, I realize I got so used to my glasses, but like, okay. But I tell you guys, it's so hot. Like, Jamaica has its own heat. It's a boil. A soup pot me in like, and we do have like a handheld fan. But should we still go back to the car? That's the thing. But let's have to say, like, Jamaica, you won when it comes on to heat. You lead the competition. Not for Atso. Oh. As I reach back over my mother's house. Who is that? Jay, mommy can't brush her hair.
Father.
When mommy brush her hair.
When I catch you at that light. Richard. Yo, Giant say father. Say father.
I'm not saying that, auntie. See, I'm not saying.
I'm giving you guys.
Guys. Okay. Oh my god. You want some? Dad? You want some ear? I'm glasses aja pa. Kami na lamang ngayap. Yes, we can't talk. Jahim! Oh, look at ants! Stamp it off. Ant.
Come inside. Come inside.
Oh, why are you temporary? Jahim got his first aunt back. And spite of Jahim foot. That manga was good. No? Oh, this was good right here. You're clean out my teeth. That's the part I don't like. Guys, it's raining. You have to hear that? Raining. Look at this. I'm a kind of girl for the rain because I'm not gonna lie, it cooled down the place. Because it was really hot, like just now. I went by my in-laws' house. It was hot, and that hold me here like this. Then it's like stick on my skin. But just the sound of the rain. Yeah, it's the sound of the rain. It's just so calming.
Walking across is a takeaway. We back up from front, we back up from back. KFC, this you know? KFC. I can't even show you the line, how it's okay. You can sign this out the road, guys. And Tim, what the bus man brought down in the drive-thru, guys. This is insane. Just for KFC. This not real. This is something else. Oh Lord Father, you see and you know. So guys, we get the KFC. I got wings. Spicy wings and barbecue wings.
Yeah, I'm surprised I should eat something spicy.
Yeah, I don't eat nothing spicy. But you know what I realized too about these wings? Or well, the food over is not spicy where you have bun up in a jar, you know. It's like, just give you like a tingling taste. And that, I got there. Yo, KFC? Bro. You got all my points. Bro. You got all my points. This is what you call greatness. That's what you call season. Oh boy. I don't know. I get you.
I can't see your boss, man.
So them, I don't know what they do. They're stuck in their food. They're going to know so Roxy and Tae. They are driving over the steering and I feel like fuck up.
See ya. No man, it's about for food, man.
Okay. What are you talking about?
So yeah, we just reaching back from off of the road. Roxanne just shown the ice cream. I said, go to shell it down. But me not lie. That was busting. That tastes really good. I'm not hear it now. And we got plum. This how me did a crave. This and KFC was me and cravings. And then we had Guinness earlier, but we never eat too much of it because whenever they wanted to stain up with teeth. So yeah. What time now? After 2. So we're going to what you call it? I'm going to a pool party by Rick's Cafe. Oh shit. I'm gonna up pepper in here. We're going to a pool party by Rick's Cafe. And then come home, chill a little bit. I'm supposed to be going to jungle tonight. But I feel like I have to take a nap before I go to jungle tonight. For sure. But jungle late anyways. So damn, so go me I come from south to nigger, that means I'm burn up the road. Bro, me not burn up the road. Bro. Me not burn up the road. Yeah, she being fake.
Wind up, man.
Cut one patrol though.
Bro, I see. Bro, I'll scroll to my Instagram. I'll see his jokes about the heat, how hot it is.
So yeah. We'll soon go get ready now, so we'll come back.
Alright guys, so Rick's Cafe have a every Wednesday thing, or no, every Thursday thing between 12 to 5, but it goes later though. So we are go over there right now, guys. It looks so packed over there. We literally had to park at a parking lot across from the venue. So you know what? Probably I'm gonna have a little buzz. So yeah, I think we already showed you guys the outfit. I don't remember. But no, girl, outside, my love. You know the vibe.
Give her the grabber, right?
Yeah, it's on my bag. So that's where we are going right now. You know the vibe.
You know what time it is.
Hello.
Where you depend? Not where is Japan. Where you depend? Sorry for Magadam, turn on bite you. Birthday girl, step up a little bit. One. Where you depend? Sorry for Magadam, turn on bite you. You try. Come over here, sir. If you fail this, you ain't getting none later. She said you ain't getting none if you fail this. Here we go. One. Where you depend? And if the client not hear me, the ring gone down I said Mary. What is it? Check again, turn it around. South Magana, turn on bite you. Alright, come up here, sir. You guys should get this because it's all the way up here. You should get what I'm saying. Here we go. One. Where you depend? South Magana, turn on bite you. Chai Tyler, what you say now? He's like, man, you okay? Alright, let's go. One. Where you depend? Can somebody fix that goddamn microphone? Yeah, we're gonna start over. One. Where you depend? Sign for Magana, turn on bite you. That sounds Chinese to me. Two chicken fries. Alright. Now, this is it. You all fail. I gotta say, nobody said. Did somebody get it? Who? Wait. Contestant number 1? Take it down now. Hey, she can't help you. You gotta break it down.
Cafe was a vibe. It really was a vibe. Let me tell you, man. Risk Cafe, not Risk Cafe itself was live on the page, but the DJ himself was live on the page. And you know the dancer, them did them thing and whatever. Yo, the comment section don't degrade them. Why is people so mean? I don't understand. Jamaicans is so mean, like so mean, so mean. But as I said, guys, Risk Cafe was really a vibe. The dancers did them thing. Tae Duarte. Tae, you probably can't put the full thing, but they will see a pinch of you, you know, drifting. Tae, bro, guys, Tae love drift. Like that's her song. Bro, I feel for Kim. I don't see the Kim man until like last time. Yeah, you know the Kim man over there so last time.
Yeah.
But I not see him.
You see him? Did they? Yeah.
Oh yeah, stop by him and get
Yeah,
one
I'm
back.
just turn on the road.
So yeah guys, so later we check in back.
You know, actually people them the can.
Yeah, we get the key we check in back or whatever. Maybe.
So guys, it's hours later. Hold on, yeah. Hours later, and we took a nap and everything. Guys, you know when I actually feel like I have time for the stuff, we don't.
Yeah, time flying.
Time flies.
Bro, look at me. I just want like this to check my watch.
Time flies. So we're about to go to jungle.
Bro, why was going to this car? I didn't take no pictures.
I'm gonna come back. I use the light.
I gotta take it now. When I come back, I'm gonna be sweating, guys. I'm sorry, I gotta take the pictures before.
Alright, so come, let's go take a picture.
Guys, jungle is packed like no joke, but we about to turn up. Don't play. You know the vibe.
Hey, do you have sauce on it?
Yes, sir.
Guys, jungle is nice. The jungle is nice. Hey, you see my water? Can you bring it for me, please? Alright,
You can't take on your donut?
obviously. Bring the water box for me, sir. Jungle was lit.
Bro,
But let me just say, guys,
before we leave.
leave. I know. You remember we told you guys every time we leave, we take a shot. Please. You ever shot here?
Are you vlogging? Guys,
Jungle
the
is
chicken
lit.
here tastes better.
I think it's because I'm hungry.
Yeah, jungle.
That's all we can.
Turn up. Okay? Guys, when I come to Jamaica, we're just DM, we will make an itinerary.
Right. For real. Guys, honestly though, it was really good. We met a lot of people. I don't know what it is, but anytime me and Tay go out, we meet a lot of people.
There are some really nice people. And we always meet people with good vibes and good intentions. And bosses. Most of the people that we meet, them own something.
The fact. It's true.
Legit, bro.
Yeah.
Legit.
So, good vibes, good energy. What am I gonna say? Other thing, the heat. The way Jamaica hot, you would not want to go outside at all. Like, you just want to stay in there so in the AC. That's it. But let me tell you something. I was burning up, guys. Burn up. I'm speechless at how I was hot. I literally had to sit down at a time. Feel like me gonna pass out. Jamaica heat just different, man. But you know, it was good vibes, good energy. Tay, would you say this is day 1 or day 2?
When Thursday?
Today.
Today or Friday?
Well, yes, Thursday.
Day 2.
Yeah, I mean
No, that was 1.
Yeah, because we came so late. Yeah, I wouldn't even count the traveling day. We came so late. So the first night we was here, guys, we didn't do anything. I think you guys know that already. And we came on a Wednesday. Yesterday, well, tonight is Thursday. Well, going into Friday, which is today, because you know we just come from party. So this is gonna be technically day 2. We don't have anything planned for the morning. There's a few business stuff. Probably a restaurant, try out some stuff that we have to do. But later on in the night, I think we're gonna go to Margaritaville. They have like a party there on Friday nights. Well, this is the itinerary. So if you're here on Wednesdays, you definitely need to go over to Rick's Cafe in the daytime, and in the nighttime jungle for Thursdays. Okay, and then Fridays, it said there's a hype spot at Margaritaville in the night, so we're gonna try that out. So just journey with us as we here, and let's see how, you know, well, today into tomorrow, but you know what I mean, today goes. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good morning.
Period.
Yes, I fuck Krista.